Here's a quick video showing you how to gap your spark plugs. We get this question a lot, and I figured make a video giving you a demonstration of how to do it. So the first thing you're going to need is a gapping tool. You can get these on Amazon. This is a 14mm one by Torque Solution. This is a 12mm one that I found on Amazon also. The B&W plugs are 12mm. But it's good to have both if you need them for another car. Take one of our two-step holder plugs. You can see it's got a big gap in here. The next thing you're going to need is a feeler gauge. Now, what you're going to want to do is put out the three options, what you want to gap it at, 0.020, that's the gap I'm shooting for here. And I like to put out two of the larger options so you can know when you're getting close to the right gap. You'll notice we put this way too big option in there, it fits rather easily. And the one we're shooting for is way too loose, you can wiggle it around in there. So to gap the plug, you're simply going to screw it into the tool, tighten the knob down, and you want to sort of tighten it down slowly to bend the electrode down. And then you loosen it, and you'll notice what will happen is that you'll bend the electrode down and loosen it, the gap will move down slightly, but not as far as when you had bent it down. So that's when you want to stick the feeler gauge in there. So I'm starting with the one that's 2 above where I want it to be, so I can hone in on it. You can see that's not fitting now, the 0.024, so we're getting close. So 0.022, still pretty loose fit. Just tighten it down a little bit more, and back up. Still too loose. See, that's about almost too tight. It's always good to go at it slowly because if you close the gap too much, it's a big pain in the ass to open it up. You have to use pliers to grab the electrode to try and pry it back open. All right, so that's too tight, and that's just about a perfect fit in there now. So that's one completely gapped plug.